Hello and welcome to Real GPL. First of all, thank you very much for being our valued customer and wish you all a very happy 2022. So guys, today we'll talk about Hostico theme. So let me search for that. It's a very good theme if you want to start a hosting website. So we'll talk about if you have bought Hostico theme from Real GPL. In that case, how we can activate this, how we can install this, and how we can import the demo and all. So without any delay, let's have a look on that. First of all, download it, which I already have done in my Chrome browser. You can see here. Now I'm going to the respective folder. First of all, what I will do, I will unzip it. Okay. Once unzipped, we'll see the contents. So you can see like we have unzipped Hostico theme here. And inside this, you can see like we are having Elementor theme and we are having WP Bakery theme. So in this theme, if you want to go with Elementor, then install this one. Otherwise, if you want to go with WP Bakery, in that you should install this one. Okay. So let me go to my WordPress and I will go to appearance and then themes. Then I will click on add new, click on upload theme, click on choose file, and then what you have to do, let me go to the respective folder, then Hostico. Now I will be installing Elementor theme here. Okay, so I will go to Elementor theme folder, I will choose Hostico theme, the parent one, click on open, then click on install now. Once installed, just click on activate, then click on begin installing plugins. Select each and everything. From bulk action, choose install, then click on apply to install all the required plugins. Once all the required plugins are installed, we will be activating it. Now, as you can see, all the plugins are installed. The installation is completed. So I'm going to install plugin again. This time I will select each and everything. From bulk action, I will choose activate and I will click on apply to activate all the required plugins. So once activated, just click on dashboard. When I came to dashboard, I can see that it is asking for theme registration. So what I will do, I will click on remind me later. Then I will go to plugin and we have to install a plugin. So I will click on add new. I will click on upload plugin and the plugin name is Hostico Importer, which is inside the Elementor theme folder. This plugin is also there for WP Bakery. If you go there, we have importer. So I will go to the Elementor one, then I will choose this plugin. I will click on open, then I will click on install now. Once installed, just click on replace current with uploaded. Now if I go to Hostico section again, we will see that the license warning is not coming. So what next? We have to go to import export section and we have to import a demo. So I'm going to install the layout 32 or anyone like layout 33. So let's start with layout 32. I'm clicking on install and then click on OK to start importing the data. It will import the data like layout 32 for us. If you want, you can install the other demos as well. So it is almost completed. So once the demo is properly installed, let me check it in a new tab to see if everything is coming appropriately or not. So you can see like, yes, everything is coming as per the demo and it looks amazing. So I think you got the clear idea, like if you have to install Hostico theme demo and if you have to install Hostico theme, in that case, what's the process? The one thing that we did extra here, like we have installed a plugin. So the plugin name was Hostico Importer because the activation is inside that. So we have to install that manually. Okay, once installed, they will not ask for activation again. So I think it is clear to you. So before leaving this video, I would like to say one thing, that if you have not joined our membership plans, you must join that, because after joining it, you will be having access to all our products. That too for a certain period, like in case of starter, you will be having access for 30 days. In case of lifetime, you can access it for lifetime. Other than that, we also have lifetime deals, which you must check it out. We have given the link of this in the description. You will get a lot of products with original license. Thank you very much for being with us. I will see you in the next one. Till then, enjoy your day. Bye bye.